Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2009 Mercedes-Benz S550. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 5.5 V8 with 382 horsepower and 391 pounds of torque. This one comes with the sports package with 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. A Savannah cashmere leather interior with a burl walnut wood trim, sunroof, S550 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, premium 3 package with Harman Kardon sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, Bluetooth interface, night vision, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center, hard keys for our media display, volume button. This S-Class has 74,414 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.